Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can produce FG directly from bill of material page. So for that, first of all, let us go to production module, click on browse module, go to production. After going to the production, please check here is the bill of material. So I will open this particular bill of material now. On your right hand side, very bottom, you will see an option of produce FG. So you need to click on produce FG. After that, you need to just enter the quantity. So 20 quantity I want to produce. So once you will select it and once you will confirm it, it will not go through the entire process. It will directly go ahead and consume the inventory and produce the finished good and get that added in your inventory. So this is a quick action. Also, this will just go ahead and exclude the negative stock restriction and other functionality which is kept for the validation. So after that, you can go ahead and click on view inventory, or you can go ahead and click on PID, and you will see that this particular production process which is created by this quick production. Please check, here is the production process in which all the raw material were issued and the finished good was produced. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and produce FG directly from BOM page. Have a good day ahead.